Hello there. This is Ricky and here I'm going to tell you the top 15 interview questions and answers usually asked in JavaScript interview. Let's make the learning fun. I will raise a question and give you 5 seconds. Try to find a clue and check it with a brief answer I give. 1. What is window object in JavaScript? The window object is the topmost object of the DOM hierarchy. It represents a browser window or frame that displays the contents of the web page. Whenever a window appears on the screen to display the contents of the document, the window object is created. 2. What is the use of window object? It represents the browser's window. All global JavaScript objects, functions, and variables automatically become members of the window object. It helps to access the browser features globally on opened window. X, window. Location. 3. What are the different data types present in JavaScript? JavaScript string number big int boolean undefined. Null. Symbol. Object. 4. What is the difference between the undefined and null? Undefined means the variable has been declared, but its value has not been assigned. Various, the null means an empty value or a blank value. 5. What the below symbols represents the triple square brackets? The triple square brackets returns the array of array, which can be denotes as given below. 6. What are the classes in ES6? ES6 classes formalize the common JavaScript pattern of simulating class-like inheritance hierarchies using functions and prototypes. 7. What are the difference between cookie, local storage and session storage? Local storage allows to save the data in the browser's local storage object. The local storage is never expire until we clear it. The session is allows us to store a data in array until the current system is running over the browser window. The session created when we start with the application and destroyed when the application uses ends. The cookies are created by the web server while a user is browsing a website and placed on the user's computer or other device by the user's web browser. 8. What is the difference between setinterval and setimount? The setimount method is used to call a function after a certain period of time. It can be cancelled by clearTimeout method. The setinterval method is used to call a function repeatedly at a specified interval of time, and setinterval is cancelled by clearinterval method. 9. What is arrow function and how are they different from normal function? The arrow function is one of the way of declaring a function in ES6. Syntax of the arrow function is given as below. The regular functions are constructible and callable. Various we can call the arrow function without create a object. JS will throw funct_name is not constructor if we create a object for arrow function. 10. What is this keyword and where it is used? In JavaScript this is a keyword which is referred to a object. Generally this is a global object and within the blocks it becomes a currently invoked method object or the element object. Note: in the strict mode, the this is referred as undefined. 11. What are the premises and how do you call the promises? A promise is a JavaScript object which will return some of the result when a set of block is executed. In the below example, a function will be invoked with a set of statements. Consider that it is transaction. It will call the OK function if the transaction completed, otherwise the not OK function will be called. 12. What is the difference between the observable and promise? Functions running in parallel with other functions are called asynchronous. A function could be an input of another function. Promises deal with one asynchronous event at a time, while observables handle a sequence of asynchronous events over a period of time. 13. What is callback hell? Callback is the process of passing a function as arguments to the another function. Callback hell is the nested callbacks iteratively within a function which makes a stacked pyramid structure.
14. Explain the pure functions in JavaScript. A pure function is a function that always returns the same result if the same arguments are passed. It does not depend on any state or data change during a program's execution. The function could be pure if it only processes the variables inside the function and input. If it depends any external variables or methods, it will not be considered as pure function.
15. Difference between double equal to and triple equal to operators. The double equal to operator perform necessary type conversion while comparing two values. X. 5 double equal to double quotes of 5 returns true. The triple equal to will not do any type conversion and strictly compares with given type. It will return false even if the type not matches. X. 5 triple equal to double quotes of 5 returns false.